Hello everyone, welcome to Clay Camilla. You probably already know Trevor Henderson, a Canadian artist and illustrator who became famous for his creepy monster photos. His most well-known creation is Siren Head. He also created Cartoon Cat, Long Horse, the Bridge Worm, and many other creatures. In this video, I'll sculpt these terrifying and dangerous monsters and tell you the story behind each one. Now I'm going to sculpt Doctor Nowhere's creature known as Cone Zone. Classification: Psychic Phenomenon. Danger level: High. Height: 2.5 to 3 meters. Habitat: psychiatric hospitals, patient rooms, abandoned wards, and places of long isolation. Cone Zone appears as an extremely tall and thin creature. Its body is completely black, as if made of shadow. Its arms and legs are incredibly long and narrow, resembling the limbs of a giant insect. The creature often sits hunched over, as if it feels uncomfortable existing in our world. The strangest part of its body is its head. Its head takes the shape of a long cone pointing upward. It has a pale face with small dark eyes and a sad expression. It always seems to be grieving or regretting something. Because of this, many people do not feel afraid when they first see it. That is exactly what makes it dangerous. After encountering the creature, people begin to doubt reality. They forget where they are, lose track of time, see things that do not exist, and struggle to tell dreams from reality. The longer someone talks to Cone Zone, the stronger its influence becomes. Some people continue to see the creature even after leaving the hospital. Unlike many monsters, Cone Zone rarely tries to scare its victims. It appears calm and harmless. Sometimes it says only one sentence: "I just wanted to talk." One rule is often repeated: if you see a tall man with a cone instead of a head, do not speak to him. If he seems friendly, he is even more dangerous, and most importantly, if he asks how you feel, do not answer. In one psychiatric hospital, several patients described the same creature: a tall, black figure with a cone-shaped head. Doctors believed it was a mass hallucination, but one night a nurse heard someone talking inside an empty room. She opened the door. A patient was sitting alone, staring into the corner. "Who are you talking to?" she asked. "The sad man," the patient replied. "And what is he saying?" The patient smiled. "He keeps asking why I want to go home." There was nobody in the corner. A few days later, the patient stopped speaking completely. But every night, he continued to leave an empty chair beside his bed. Next up is Trevor Henderson's creation known as the guest from the top floor. While I begin sculpting him, let me tell you a little about this mysterious creature. Place of appearance: an unknown chain of hotels reported in different countries. Witnesses describe nearly identical buildings, hallways, and strange hotel rules. Guests are kindly asked to avoid visiting the top floor due to ongoing maintenance work. Please remain in your rooms between 3 a.m. and 4 a.m. Ignore any footsteps, knocking, or voices outside your door. These measures are necessary for your safety. Most guests consider this to be a strange joke by the hotel staff. However, in nearly every case of a guest's disappearance, one detail becomes clear: the person broke this very rule. Witnesses describe a tall, thin creature standing about 3 to 4 meters tall. Its body is covered in long black fur or hair that hangs to the floor and conceals most of its body. Because of this, it is impossible to determine the number of its limbs or its true anatomy. Its head appears almost human, but the face looks unnatural. An enormous white smile, completely dark eye sockets, an elongated mouth, a motionless expression. Its limbs are extremely long and thin. The front claws end in curved fingers resembling hooks. Despite its size, the creature moves almost silently. It slowly walks through the hallways, stops outside doors, listens, can imitate human footsteps, and sometimes calls guests by name. Some witnesses claim they heard the voices of relatives or friends outside their doors. The creature rarely attacks immediately. It seems to test whether a person will break the rules. Now I'm moving on to the next creature created by Trevor Henderson, the Stranger. The Stranger appears as a tall, thin figure completely hidden beneath a long black cloak. Its true body is almost impossible to see as it remains concealed beneath the dark fabric. The most disturbing part of the creature is its head. It resembles a large round mask made of papier-mâché or cracked old skin. The surface is covered with wrinkles, stains, and uneven textures. Its oversized painted eyes seem slightly crossed, while small human ears can be seen on the sides. Sometimes a thin human-like hand emerges from beneath the cloak and slowly waves at people. Many believe this is not the creature's real face. According to several reports, the round face is only a mask hiding something far worse beneath it: wet, wrinkled skin, a massive mouth filled with small, sharp teeth, and eyes that are either missing or hidden. Height: approximately 2 to 2.5 meters. Habitat: large stores, warehouses, and shopping malls. Activity: mostly at night or inside empty buildings. In 2019, a young security guard stayed late to lock up a department store. While checking the furniture section, he suddenly realized he was lost. Every aisle looked identical, and the escalator he had used had disappeared. Then he saw a tall figure with a round face standing between the shelves. It slowly raised its hand and waved. Thinking it was another employee, the guard walked toward it. But no matter how far he went, the distance never changed. Almost an hour later, he finally reached the main entrance. Security cameras later revealed that he had barely moved the entire time. He was standing almost in one place, talking to himself and waving at someone who wasn't there. These are the Trevor Henderson and Doctor Nowhere monsters I created. Let me know in the comments which creature I should sculpt next. If you enjoyed my work, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me create even more creepy monsters and detailed sculptures. See you in the next video.